So the RTX 4060 laptop actually has a superpower. But before we understand what that superpower is, we have to take a look back at last year's laptops. But before we do any of that, here is a message from our sponsor.
This part of the video was sponsored by SoftwareKeep. SoftwareKeep is a Microsoft certified partner who only sells 100% genuine Microsoft software. SoftwareKeep offers both lifetime and subscription products and provides a variety of licenses from single use all the way to enterprise licenses. You will be able to find the best-selling products like Microsoft Office 2021, Windows 10 and Windows 11. SoftwareKeep also offers a variety of Microsoft Office, Microsoft 365, Windows Antivirus, and more for both PC and Apple users. SoftwareKeep has over 100,000 5-star ratings and scores a whopping 4.9 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot. Once you have found the product you want, you can check out securely using PayPal, credit card, debit card, or Klarna, and you will receive your order within 15 minutes after payment. Be sure to head to the links in the description to find the best deals on the most popular software, and also make sure to use my discount code for an additional 20% off.
Now in today's video we are going to be testing the battery gaming performance on the new 4000 series or RTX 4060 laptop, and this is the ASUS TUF A15 2023 model, so I'm currently making sure all the updates are applied, and I'm going to be comparing it to the Lenovo Legion 5 2022 model. This one has a RTX 3060, specs can be found down in the description, and this one has RTX 4060. So 3060 versus 4060 on battery performance. And one thing you guys have to check out is that I have turned off, turn it back on again, the battery boost mode, because if I turn that on, it's going to cap the FPS. And now we are going to be playing an uncapped FPS. I'm going to be using the D GPU on this one, and I'm also going to be using the D GPU on this one. So they're both on their maximum performance settings. Just to show you how good the performance actually is on the 4000 series, I'm going to play it on 1080p and on extreme settings with DLSS set to quality. Both laptops will have the same settings. So for this test, you actually have to take a look at the power draw and the FPS, and also like the frame time meter. And I can already tell you that this is really, really stuttery. Sometimes it's smooth like now, but it's really, really stuttery. And if you want to like game on the go, this is not a lot of fun. So I've placed here the power brick. So you can see it's not actually wired here. You can see it's not wired in. Well, it's the controller wire. And the performance, so this is the Legion 5 2022. I'm just going to jump down, and you can already tell that the frame time spike or is spiking like crazy. Ooh, a mill. So they say this is Amsterdam Vondel. This is not what Vondel Park looks like, but hey, who am I? I'm not particularly good with a controller, but who gives? So we're getting some steady frames, but you can see some huge drops, and I can tell you that it is lagging. And the frame time drops tell the whole story. What is this, an F-Tech Siege? Sometimes it's not even rendering. I think to tell the whole story, you have to actually go outside. I knew he was there. Oh, I got bunked.
Better luck next time, asshole. Go get your revenge.
All right. Where are we going? We're gonna go this way. Now it starts to feel a little bit better, but it's still very irregular. And there is still a lot of hiccups going on. You can see that in the low 1%. I want that Lachman sub. And this is regular performance across the board. Sometimes you can play normally, but because of the huge power draw, your battery will be empty in like no time, depending on the size of your battery, of course. There's some really weird artifacting going on here. So overall, also FPS-wise, this is not great. Let's compare this to the RTX 4060 laptop. Now, if we look at the 4060, it's just hilarious how big the difference is when it comes to battery gaming performance. I'm just going to be playing a bit around with my controller again. And as you can see, there is no cables, no power plugged in. And we are once again playing on extreme settings. Let's hope I don't die like instantly. There is no hiccups, or at least very, very minimal. Wait, I don't think that's a really good weapon to play with. Gotta reset the lows, like I did with the other one. And look at the power draw. It's getting such good FPS on only 33 watts. So oh dear. I don't have that superpower. So back in the game. And if you would play the normal map, I would actually sometimes see over 100 FPS on battery performance, on extreme settings. Just imagine that. Also, I kind of lied. I'm playing on silent mode. So let's put it on performance mode. There we go. The silent mode is just so good. The Legion 5 I was playing on performance mode or automatic mode. There is no really performance mode. When you're playing on battery. I'm such a bad player without a mouse and keyboard. Oh, somebody's been here. You are a dead son. But I actually won a game. I don't know if I still have the clip. But actually, no, I don't think I have it anymore. I actually won a game like this. You can play for a good hour, depending on the brightness. 1.5 hours maybe. But if you're on the go, you can actually very decently game with a laptop without having to plug it in. Once again, look at the lows, look at the FPS. There's little blips in the frame time, but it's nothing like what you saw on the 3060. That thing is just so much more power hungry. When it comes to like off battery performance, the difference is pretty small. But when it comes to battery performance, the difference is actually huge. So that is the superpower of the RTX 4060. If you're looking to buy a RTX 4060 laptop, I actually have links in the description. This is the ASUS TUF A15 2023 model. It's actually a really cheap budget gaming laptop, and as you can see, it has great performance. Let's go over here. Oh, the zone is coming. We got a bail. Somebody ran into my mind. I think I dropped it somewhere down there. That zone is really hard to see.
Heads up. Fogs incoming. Visibility will be affected.
Are we gonna play until we die? I think it's a good idea.
Hostile UAV active. Hostiles launched a mortar strike.
Oh dear.
Hostile UAV overhead.
I think there's people close. Somebody died here. How did that guy not get me?
Dropping into the AO. Hostile UAV active.
I hear something. But I don't have headphones on. So it's a little ouch. Why does this SMG only have 15 bullets? Hello?
Enemy soldier incoming.
Where are they aiming from? That is scary. No, they got me. GG's. So, out of this video, we can kind of state that if you're looking to buy a gaming laptop for gaming on the go, you really want a 4000 series laptop. If you're not looking for a gaming laptop to be gaming on the go, you just want to place it on a desk, there is not a big difference between the 40 series and the 30 series. So, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, leave it a like. And of course, during my outro, the doorbell goes off. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Leave the video a like if you liked the video, and let me know down in the comments which GPU are you using or which laptop are you using. Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much. Peace.